When we saw what Mustafa and Marvin and the rest of the team at DC Remodeling did with our living room, we couldn't wait to see what they did with our outside and the patio. So we really like the way this all looks. My wife and I wanted the lampposts installed in the fences, and that's exactly what they did. And not only that, they made an excellent design for this entire exterior, which matched the walls of the outside of the house, and of course, the patio itself. So if you're looking for anyone to remodel your entire backyard or patio, my wife and I highly recommend the team at DC Remodeling, and Mustafa has done such a wonderful job.